Welcome to all. I am Rahul. In this video, we study how to find an equation of a right circular cone. First of all, in this question, find the equation of a right circular cone whose vertex is given by 1 minus 1 2 is our keyword, that is alpha beta gamma they are given, and axis is the line x minus 1 by 2, y plus 1 by 1 plus z minus 2 by minus 2. So that is they are given the DRS of an axis and the semi-vertical angle is 45 degrees. So angle is also given. So it is a straightforward question. So let's solve this. So we draw this diagram with the help of given information. Now let's start with the step-by-step method. In step 1, we write the given information. So step 1, they are given coordinate of a vertex, that is alpha, beta, gamma are nothing but alpha, comma, beta, comma, gamma is equal to 1, comma, minus 1, comma, 2. So from the given question itself, we get the information about the alpha, beta, gamma. Now we need to find the value of DRS of the axis from the equation of the given axis. So if we compare the x minus alpha upon A is equal to y minus beta upon B is equal to z minus gamma upon C with x minus 1 upon 2 plus y plus 1 upon 1 is equal to z minus 2 upon minus 2. We get the value of alpha, beta, gamma from this also. If you observe, we get again 1, here we get minus 1, here we get a 2. And value of ABC, that is DRS of an axis A, comma B, comma C is equal to, it is 2, 1, minus 2. 2, 1, minus 2. Now to find an equation of a cone, we require the semi-vertical angle, and that is given 45 degrees. For that, we require the value of cos 45, and the value of cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Substituting all these values into the equation, so consider a point P on the cone. Consider the point P, x, y, z on the cone, that is on the generator. Then cos theta is equal to A into x minus alpha plus B into y minus beta plus C into z minus gamma, divide by square root of A square plus B square plus C square into x minus alpha square plus y minus beta square plus z minus gamma square. So substituting all above value into this, we get cos theta value is 1 upon root 2 is equal to value of A is 2, x minus 1 value of alpha plus 1 is the value of B, y minus beta, beta value is minus 1, so it is plus 1 plus C value is minus 2, so minus 2, z minus gamma value is 2, divide by square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square into x minus 1 square plus y plus 1 square plus z minus 2 square. Now we simplify this. So after simplification, we get 1 upon root 2 is equal to 2x minus 2 plus y plus 1 minus 2z plus 4 upon square root of 2 is 4 plus square root of 1, sorry, square of 1 is 1 plus square of minus 2 is 4. Means square root x minus 1 square plus y plus 1 square plus z minus 2 square. Now here we have the square root. So squaring of both sides, we can remove the square root, we can squaring on both sides, we get, so square of 1 is 1, square root of 2 is 2 is equal to, we can write this as 2x minus 2 plus y plus 1 minus 2z plus 4 the whole bracket square, and in the denominator the square root get removed, so we get 4 plus 1 plus 4 and x minus 1 square plus y plus 1 square plus z minus 2 square. So by simplifying the numerator, we get 1 by 2 is equal to 2x plus y minus 2z plus 3 the whole square divide by 9 in bracket x minus 1 square plus y plus 1 square plus z minus 2 square. So if you observe, here we have to multiply this denominator to the numerator and this denominator to this numerator. So we get 9 x minus 1 square is x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y plus 1 square is y square plus 2y plus 1 plus z minus 2 square is z square minus 4z plus 4 is equal to, multiply with this 2 to the 2x plus y minus 2z plus 3 the whole square. Now we already studied how to take the square of the four terms. Now before going for that, first of all we write the left hand side term in a simplest form. So we get 9x square minus 18x plus 9 plus 9y square plus 18y plus 9 plus 9z square minus 36z plus 36 is equal to 2. Now a plus b plus c plus d square is a square, that is 4x square. Second term square is y square. Third term square is 4z square. And the fourth term square is 9. So what we get, a square plus b square plus c square plus d square plus 2 times a into b. So what we get, 2xy plus 2 times a into c. So what we get, minus 4xz plus 2 times a into b. So what we get, 6x plus 2 times b into c. So what we get, minus 2yz plus 2 times b into d. So what we get, 3y plus 2 times c into d. So what we get, minus 6z. So this is how we do the square of the four terms. Now we simplify this. So by simplifying, we get 9x square plus 9y square plus 9z square minus 18x plus 18y minus 36z plus 54. 36 plus 9 plus 9 is equal to 8x square plus 2y square plus 8z square plus 18 plus 8xy minus 16xz plus 24x minus 8yz plus 12y minus 24z. Now we collect the similar terms. So if we take these side terms to this side, sign gets changes. So let's take one by one. So 9x square minus 8x square, we get x square. 9y square minus 2y square, we get 7y square. 9z square minus 8z square, we get z square. Now for the xy term, we have only the 8xy. We get minus 8xy. Now this is also the single term minus 16xyz. So if you take to the left hand side, we get plus 16xz. One more term we have, that is minus 8yz. So we get plus 8yz. Now we are left with the single term, that is what we have, the minus 18x minus 24x. So what we get, 24 and 18 is almost 42. So it is minus 42x. Now the same term, that is my 18y and 12y, we get plus 6y minus 36z minus to the left side will become plus. So plus 24, we get minus 12z, and the constant term we have the 54 minus this 18 value. So we get plus 36 is equal to 0 is the required equation of an right circular cone. Now let's understand the different question how we generate from the same problem. Now from this question we can generate a different question just by replacing 45 degree with the pi by 4. We get the new question, or another question replacing 45 degree with cos inverse of 1 upon root 2. So here we generate two new questions. One more thing, this equation of an axis can be write as x minus 1 is equal to 2 times y plus 1 is equal to minus z minus 2. If you replace this with this, you get one more new question. One more thing, you can also write the axis of the line is parallel to the line. So you can write the new equation of an axis like x minus 3 upon 2 is equal to y plus 1 upon 1 is equal to z minus 3 upon minus 2. Remember, this value has to be similar to the previous one. So this gives another new question. So this is how you can get the fourth new question. One more thing, you can replace all these equation of an axis with the single statement, that is axis has a direction ratios. Axis has a directional ratio. So what are the direction ratios here? It is 2, 1, minus 2. So you can replace the equation of an axis with the direction ratios. So this is how you can generate the new question or new problem from this. So hope you understand this. Now this video, please subscribe, press the bell icon, comment below, and do not forget to like and share with your friends. At the end of this video, I commit you that I will share you the some study material. So in the description, I will give you the PDF of this video material and workbook for the practice of this problem. Hope you understand. Thank you. Do your best. Thank you very much.